Captain Uno FPV shuttle van. Yeah, it's winter time here in Cleveland, Ohio. This is DEATHRAT 69 FPV, and that's Captain Uno right there. We're about to fly this office park in Independence.
Man, it's cold out here.
Ohio. Yeah, dude, it's like, it's the only way to fly, man. The Captain Uno shuttle bus tour, complete with FPV antenna on the roof. There's the Captain FPV, Captain Uno quadcopter. Let's do it.
Don't take off. Yeah.
That was a great FPV flight here with the Captain Uno shuttle tour bus. Look at this thing. This thing will take you somewhere awesome to fly. Here we go. There's Captain Uno. He's landing right now. Look at him. There he is. He's doing it. He's doing it. Look at him. He thinks he's a badass or something. Look at him. What does he think he is here? I mean, he just recently learned how to fly quadcopters. I've been trying to train him here, you know? Look at him. He's all right. He's all right. He's coming in for a landing. Look at that. Just a high quality landing. Captain Uno is on the ground. GoPro, stop recording.